Morning everyone. I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you all what I've been working on lately. I'm currently putting together a bunch of TCU tutorials for the website music2go.com.br. It's a Brazilian music learning website, and they've asked me to be their sort of TCE expert. It operates using a subscription service, and I can't pretend to know an awful lot about it, but anyway, I thought I'd show you what I've been doing and how I've been setting it up. So this is the room I'm recording everything in. It's just a small practice room in one of the schools I work at, and you can see this is my setup. I've got my music stand here and the same webcam that I use for doing my Skype videos. And then I've got here, this is just a standard SM57 microphone, which, for those who want to know, I tend to place about a foot from the bell with my trumpet, pointing downwards. And then over here I have, this is my MacBook, again same one that I use for, I'm not doing a good job of filming this, here's me, hi. I record the video with QuickTime, and then I've got Logic Pro X or 10 that I record and edit the sound in. So there's some little things that I've done last night. Let's see if that's just a little bit. This is actually a clip of the piece that I'm going to be recording today, which is an excerpt from the fourth movement of Telemann's Trumpet Concerto in D. So you can hear that example isn't particularly clean at the moment, but needs a little bit of, I'm going to do a better job of it today and include video. But yeah, before I get started with that, I'm just going to dump you down on the stand here and do a bit of a warm-up. And I'm going to do that warm-up with normal double pedal tones. I'm just going to play through. First of all, playing the notes. And then a bit of Ansetzen to Einsetzen. Just release all the tension in the corners. Now, in the car I've been spit buzzing and doing a bit of loose lip flapping as well, just because things were feeling a bit stiff this morning. It's quite unusual, but and just to finish off, a little bit going the other way before I stick the kettle on, have a coffee, and then I will get recording. a bit messy. As I do this, you can hear my tone is rounding off a little bit. Just as I get a little bit more relaxation in the chops. Okay, everything's working great. So, thanks for watching.